Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now I'm drawing my outline for colorful bird. So I'm just outlining all the features and the whole the body. I'm outlining my drawing. I'm drawing eyes, face and all the features. I'm drawing eyes, nose, and just giving outline for the colorful bird. I'm using oil pastels today, so I'm giving yellow shade to my drawing. Now I'm using green shade. I'm blending the both colors. Now I'm using red and black color shades to my drawing. So I'm blending the shades and mixing all the colors. I'm drawing legs, so I'm using yellow color pencils to draw the legs. I'm drawing the stem, so I'm using my green shade to draw the stem. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.